welcome back to my channel, The Trade Blazer, and welcome to yet another learning video where we can see my daily trades, understand the trade logic, see the PNL, and have a daily learning as well. So what was the plan today before entering into the market? So these are some of the levels that I have drawn before entering into the market today, right? So let me explain about the levels that I have drawn. So this level 48,250 around was a very good resistance, and which became a support after this breakout. Okay, and this blue line, which is around 48,400, was yesterday's low and also very important level on the chart as well. You can see here. Then the zone between these two lines, like between 250 and 48,400, I was considering this as a very strong support. And one more reason to consider that as a very strong support is that if I draw a fib, so you can see that this is coming around 61.8% fib level, which is considered as a very good support, right? So these are the because of these multiple reasons, I was considering this zone as a strong support. Now, since market is exactly, or Bank Nifty is exactly opening in this zone, I was planning for a long trade, to place a long trade, uh, you know, um, right after the opening. So then Bank Nifty didn't give me any opportunity to place the trade, and it moves very fastly and travels for about 500 points in the first 15 minutes itself, right? So then I have taken multiple trades in this particular zone, and made some losses, but then it was in Nifty, right? I was placing a long bets, and it was taking my small SLs for the day. Now after that, I would like to explain one important trade. Okay, this is my panel in Zerodha, where I have managed to close with a small profit. I have this is the order book where I have taken 4 trades in Zerodha today. Okay, now I would like to explain one important trade. Let me convert this chart into 3 minutes, right? You can see here, this was one level where price was taking resistance at this particular point of time, and then you can see here one more dip it made and then broke out of this resistance, and exactly it is coming back to this previous resistance and taking support there. Then after that, it gave me a wonderful confirmation with a strong bullish candle with no wick at all. Then after this level got broken on the chart, I entered into this trade. It was my final trade for the day, and which gave me a profit of about 130 points. So it comes around 1 is to 4.6 or something trade. Now if I take you to the done charts as well, so this is the day how it went, and let's say if I explain this trade, you can see here on the premium chart there's a trend line going, and then this is what the resistance that we were talking about, and then price comes to this resistance point and takes support here, and then this is a strong bullish candle that we can see on the chart, which gives us a confirmation that price is going to travel upside. Now then I have waited until this area around 1040 is breached, and then I have added my initial quantity of 90 at 1042. Now I have added 30 more quantity at 1081 and exited around 1187, right? And we managed to capture around 130 points in this particular trade. So at some point of time, I was in a loss of about 20k, which ultimately crossed my max loss per day, and I was not supposed to take any trades after that, but I still broke my rule and took this particular trade, and then anyways we managed to cover at least more than 15,000 of or loss, but then that was not good, right? So we are not supposed to break our rules. Let's say if this one is also going into loss, then that will become a huge loss, right? So that's where we have couple of learnings also, guys, for this day. So the first learning, anyways, again, we need to avoid the over trading, right? And also that we need to um, manage our max loss per day also. So what are the two learnings? What is the first learning for the day? To strictly avoid over trading or revenge trading. And the second learning for the day is never go and take trades beyond your max loss per the day. So that's the learning for today. And that's all, guys, for today. And then we can we'll meet you with another video, learning video, in the next trading session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.